This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect with a ghost. First, find a peaceful environment where you won't be interrupted for at least 30 minutes. It's crucial to establish a clear intention for your communication, perhaps by stating it out loud 3 times. Approach the experience with an open heart and a calm mind, as fear can hinder genuine connection. Remember, patience is key, and not every attempt will yield immediate results. There are several tools that can aid in spirit communication. An EVP recorder, for example, can capture subtle sounds or voices not audible to the human ear. A spirit box rapidly scans radio frequencies, sometimes allowing spirits to speak through the white noise. For more direct yes or no answers, a pendulum or dowsing rods can be effective, often responding to subtle energy shifts. Experiment with different methods to find what resonates best for you. When attempting to connect with spirits, safety and respect are paramount. Always begin by asking for positive energy and protection, perhaps by visualizing a white light around you. Treat any potential spirit with politeness and respect, just as you would a living person. It's also wise to set clear boundaries, such as limiting your session to 20 or 30 minutes and firmly ending the communication when you are finished. Interpreting messages from spirits often requires keen observation. Notice subtle shifts in the room's temperature, a sudden chill, or a change in the air's density. Pay close attention to any unexpected thoughts, feelings, or visual images that come into your mind, as these can be forms of communication. Keeping a detailed journal of your experiences, including dates and times, can help you identify patterns and better understand the messages you receive over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.